The Philippines has a complex history with the death penalty, having both abolition and reinstatement periods. It was first introduced during the Spanish colonial era and later abolished in 1987. However, it was reinstated in 1993 and again in 2006 due to pressure from the Catholic Church and international movements against capital punishment. The debate surrounding the death penalty is complex, with arguments for and against cultural and religious implications, international relations, alternatives, and ethical considerations. So, is it ever right to take a life? Is the death penalty a just punishment or a barbaric relic of a bygone era? This podcast dives into the heart of the debate, examining the arguments, the evidence, and the real-world consequences of capital punishment. So, stay tuned and watch our podcast. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my first question, sa palagay nyo, is it okay to kill someone even though they did something terrible? Just because of what they did? Do they deserve to be sentenced to death? Diba? Yung nakarami, meron naman silang right to live sa buhay nila. Sa tingin nyo, okay lang bang hatulan ng isang tao dahil ng death?
Para sa akin hindi. Kung pagdudusahan naman nila sa kulungan yung kasalanan na gawa nila, okay na sa akin yan. Hindi rin naman mababawi yung kasalanan na gawa nila kung papatayin sila.
Para sa akin, hindi naman kailangan pumatay ng tao para kahit gano'n pa bigat ng nagawa nilang kasalanan. Meron naman tayo mga batas sa Pilipinas, dapat sinusundin natin yun.
Para sa akin dahil lahat ng tao may karapatang mabuhay. Siyempre, hanggat gusto nila. Oo, may pagkakamali silang nagawa. Pero wag din natin kalimutan na tao lang sila. Na mayroong pagkakamali kasi lahat ng tao may pagkakamaling desisyon nagawa.
Government kills people, isn't that kind of hypocritical? Hindi ba dapat sila ang nagiging mabuting ehemplo sa lipunan at nagpapakita ng respeto sa buhay ng nakararami? Tingin mo nga pala nung palagay mo.
Actually, hindi dapat government yung nagdedesisyon kung dapat nagkaroon ng death sentence kundi taong bayan. And as a Filipino citizen, hindi ako payag na ipatupad yung death sentence kasi karamihan sa mapapahamak dito yung for Pilipinas, lalo na't nandito tayo sa Pilipinas na merong poor justice system. Kaya,
Para sa akin, hindi rin dapat ipatupad ang death sentence. Kasi kung tapatupad pa ito, maraming magdudusa at mangungulila. Dahil meron din silang mga pamilya na nagmamahal sa kanya na mas sila ang maghihirap sa bandang. Oo, nasolusyonan nga, paano naman yung mga naiwan ng mga tao, diba? Sila magdudusa.
Oo, mapagkunwari naman yung gobyerno. Di ba dapat sila yung halimbawa ng paggalang sa buhay ng tao ayon sa batas?
It really matter if the death penalty stops crime if it's wrong to kill people in the first place. Shouldn't we focus on what's morally right, not just what works best?
Ang pagiging epektibo ng death penalty sa pagpigil ng krimen ay hindi dahilan para gawin ito kung ito ay mali sa moral. Ang moralidad ay dapat na mas mahalaga kaysa sa resulta. Sa Pilipinas, ang death penalty ay wala na dahil sa batas na Republic Act 9346.
A moral framework, certain and fundamental rights would argue that the right to life is paramount. This right is not conditional. It applies to everyone, regardless of their action. Therefore, even if that death penalty served as a powerful deterrent, it would still be morally unacceptable because it violates these fundamental rights. The focus should remain on upholding justice and moral principle.
Actually, based on studies, hindi talaga nagbabago yung crime rate kahit may death penalty.
Is it fair to punish someone based on what they did, or should we also consider who they are? Doesn't everyone deserve a second chance even if they mess up badly?
Yes, it's fair to punish someone based on what they did and there's no need for consideration for who they are. Kahit na mayaman ang mahirap sila, kahit may katungkulan sila sa gobyerno o wala, kung may kasalanan sila, kailangan talagang pagbayaran. Pero hindi sa paraang papatayin sila.
Para sa akin, ang pagpaparusa ng kamatayan ay dapat isaalang-alang ang nagawa ng taong gumawa nito. Ang pangalawang pagkakataon ay dapat bigyan ngunit ang kakulang responsibilidad ang Batas Republic Act 8552 ay nagpapakita ng paniniwala sa pagbabago at rehabilitasyon.
Everyone violation of moral rules should have a corresponding punishment, regardless of the person, intention, or future prospect. The focus is on justice and upholding moral principle, not on individual circumstance or potential for change. Therefore, the idea of a second chance will perhaps desirable on humanitarian